Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Hope you're having a fantastic week so far. Today we have made it to Wednesday, May the 28th of 2025, and we have made it to day number 49 of this Miley Gen Secret ClickBank challenge. All right. Now, if you guys do not know what we're doing, if you have no idea what's going on, we are shooting a 365-day challenge, promoting one offer from ClickBank, and we're using the Miley Gen Secret system. We're going to use both of those. We're going to put those together, and we're going to see if we can earn a full-time income doing it. Okay. So if you guys have not been following these videos, please go back to day number one. So you can kind of get up to speed on what we're doing, seeing the progress and seeing, the type of income that we're already making. All right. So today is day number 49. And what I'm going to show you guys today is how easy it is to send out an email in the Mileage and Secret system. And then also, I'm going to show you the results from the emails that we sent out last night. Okay. And we're going to see if we got any results or anything like that. All right. So let's go ahead and hop right to it. Okay. So if you guys don't know what Miley Gen Secret is, Miley Gen Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 e-business, e-marketing leads every single day. A lot of people call them business opportunity leads. Okay. So these people that are coming onto this list right here, these people are looking for ways to earn income online. All right. And it's our job as affiliate marketers is to go out and find offers that are related to making money online. Okay, we become affiliate with those networks. We grab those offers, we create emails, and we send it to this traffic. Okay, and then in the end, we get the results or get the lead, and be able to promote to these prospects every single day. Okay, every 24 hours we can come back here in this back office and we can send out one email every 24 hours. All right, and that one email will go out to however many thousands of people that's on your list. All right, which is pretty awesome. And then just a little bit about myself. I've been with My Lead Gen Secret over a few years now. I totally love the service. I've promoted so many different offers to this traffic. I can tell you that it does work. It does convert. Okay. And you guys can get started if you guys want to get started. All right. And I did leave a link below this video. Okay. Which is if you go below this YouTube video, you can go here to in the description. You can go and go to this link right here. Just click on this link and it's going to take you to the Mileage and Secret page. And you guys can go ahead and get started. There is a one-time charge of $60 to get started and then $30 a month to keep the service. Okay. Now, what you're going to get with the $30 each month is you're going to get thousands of people coming onto your list every single month. Okay. Now, every single day, you're going to gain 100 to 200 new emails every single day. Just depends on how many accounts that you have. Now, the cool thing is that you can get multiple accounts. And what you would do once you sign up below, your back office is going to look like this. Okay. Once you sign in, your back office is going to look like this. Now, after you sign up, you're going to be able to sign up under your own link, okay, using your own affiliate link, okay. That way, those monthly reoccurring payments of $30 that you pay will be coming back to you, okay. So, for instance, I have 8 different accounts, okay. My first account, I signed up under someone else, okay, and then every account after that, I have a portion of the month. I have 8 accounts. So the second account that I have, I'm getting a kickback of the monthly reoccurring charge. So even though it's $30, I'm getting a few dollars coming back to me each and every month. Okay. So pretty much every few months, I'll be able to cash out, right? And use that extra money to go pay a bill or reinvest in the system or do whatever I want with it. Okay. So that's another way that you can earn income is, from even just signing up under yourself. Okay. Which is pretty cool. And if you have any issues with that, just send me a message, or you can rewind this video and I can go over it with you again. Okay. You can hear it again. Okay. So your back office is going to look like this. All right. The only thing different is going to be the emails that you send out. I've already sent out my email today. Okay, if you go here to the My Leads, these are where the leads are coming in every day. So you're getting consistent leads coming in every day. Master email swipes or additional email swipes if you guys want to purchase more emails, or purchase some high converting emails. Okay, for the sake of this video, for the sake of this whole series, this 365 series, we are going to use the free email swipes from the vendor. And also we're going to be using Chat GPT later down the road. Okay. The mailing system, this is where you're going to go send all your emails. Okay. So if you guys know how to send out an email in Gmail, Yahoo, if you're familiar with on how to send out an email, you guys can do this. Okay. So what you're going to see is a subject line and a body. Okay. And then also there's going to be a send now button at the bottom. So all we need to do is we need to go to our offer and we need to go find those free email swipes. Okay. Now the offer we're going to be using is going to be social sales rep, which is live chat jobs on ClickBank. All right. And we're going to use this offer right here to send out our emails. And as you can see, you have tabs down here. This is more of pay for paid traffic. But this one right here is the free email swipes that come with it. Okay. Excuse me. So you guys don't have to run out and figure out how you're going to send out email. Okay. So we got 20 emails that we have right here, and we're going to send out all 20. And now, once we get to 20, we're just going to start back at one, go to 20, start back at one. And then eventually, what we're going to do, I'm going to show you some cool stuff. I'm going over to ChatGPT and have ChatGPT rewrite these emails, okay, into high converting, shorter emails, okay, which is pretty awesome. All right. So let's go ahead and just pick an email, and I'm just going to show you how easy it is to send out an email. So let's just go ahead and go here. All right, Control C. We want to grab that subject line. We want to come over here to the mailing system, Control V. Right, super easy, right? Okay, you want to come down here to the body, click on perfect timing so the email goes out and goes into our prospects inbox as soon as they, think about the cool thing about this mileage and secret. They know exactly when these people are looking at their emails. So the perfect timing is going to hit their inbox right when this person looks at their emails. Okay, which is pretty cool. Okay, so we want to go, you want to take out the signature, put in your name or management, whichever one, where it says, hey, name, you want to take that name out and you want to put in your first name. Okay. All right. So you just want to click on it here, grab this and Control V. Right. So that way, our prospect, it says, hey, Jermaine, hey, John, whatever your name is. Thank you for taking the time to view this message. Right. So it's more tailored to our customer. Right. Right here where it says click here, we want to turn this into a clickable link. So what I like to do is I like to grab this whole sentence. So let's just grab this whole thing. And then let's go ahead and go to click on this link tab. Under every email swipe, there's going to be a link that goes with the email. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to Control C and we're going to grab this link and we're going to put it in the email so we can turn these two into clickable links. Okay. And right here is where you're going to take out this right here. You're going to take this out and you're going to put in your ClickBank affiliate ID. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Control C, Control V, and then let's go back here. Take this out right here, guys, and put in your name. Okay. Put in whatever your affiliate ID is, you put that in. Don't put in mine, but put in yours. Okay. So you just want to come here, click on OK, and then we're going to do the same thing right here. And then boom, it says hit this link. Okay. This is our call to action buttons, and we're going to take this out right here. Take that out, your ID, and then boom. Okay. And then put in whatever your affiliate ID is. Okay, click on OK. All right, what that does is you can see it turns these two into clickable links. Okay, let's go ahead and make this a little bit bigger, either 18 or 16, whichever one you guys like. Okay, so now this email is turned into a very nice email. Okay, so it says, hey, our prospect's name. Thank you for taking the time to view this message. It's nice, big, bold text forms to read. And then there's a call to action button right here which says click here if you're interested. So our prospect is going to click there. Not only are they going to click there, they're going to, we tell them about how much money they can make. And then it says, if you're interested, hit this link. So it's telling them to click again. Okay. So that's two call to action buttons that we have. You want to come down here. You want to either click on preview or send now. So what I like to do is I like to click on preview. Okay. So I like to preview my ad before I send it out. I like to click on these links to make sure my URL reads my affiliate ID in it. Okay. That's very important that comes through with your affiliate ID. Okay. So after we see that it does go to our affiliate page, we want to click on send now. Okay. Boom. That email just went out. Okay. To, let's see how many people, 50,000 people. Okay. Well, let's go ahead and select these leads. Okay. So once you select those leads, it goes over to the portal and then boom, this email is going to go out to 53,000, but I've already sent out my email today. I'm not able to send one until tomorrow around this time. Okay. So that's how easy it is, guys, to send out an email, and that's how you do it. Okay. Now, just a real disclaimer here, guys. I cannot guarantee that you're going to make anything with this method because I don't know if you're going to go out and get accounts, get multiple accounts, and send out emails every day. Okay. I don't know your work ethic, okay? I don't know you yet, okay? But if you're someone like myself who's motivated, who's eager to learn and eager to earn income online, okay, you will figure it out and you will stick with it, okay? Just like I did. I've been with them for 3 years. I stuck with it, stuck it out. Even when I wasn't making any money, I knew that I was eventually one day. That's what made me stick with it, okay? So that's why I'm shooting this video for you guys. I created a brand new brand new ClickBank account. Okay. And I did it just for you guys, just for this series, just to show you that if I can do it, you can do it with a brand new account. If I can do it, you can do it. Okay. And if you're someone out there who needs extra income, maybe you need to put some gas in the car, you need the extra funds to make it pay a bill each month or put groceries on the table, right? Maybe, you need rent money or mortgage. You got a house that you're paying a mortgage note on. Maybe you want help paying that mortgage note. Okay. Maybe you want to take this thing full time. Maybe you want to do this full time and you want to earn full time income. Maybe you want to make $2,000 a month, right? Maybe you want to make 3,000, 4,000, $5,000 a month. Okay. Um, all that depends on your work ethic, guys, to see if you guys are going to come in here and if you guys are going to work hard, if you guys are going to come in and stay motivated and send out emails every single day. Okay. It just depends if you want to do that. All right. So let's go ahead and go over here to ClickBank and let's go ahead and check out the results from yesterday and see how we did. As you can see, we've been getting a few sales here and there. Okay. And let's go ahead and go to the reporting tab. Today is May the 28th. Okay. So today, we did get over 1,100 hops, which is really good, but we got 555 unique hops. These are brand new people that came to the checkout page. They decided to buy for whatever reason, or they didn't buy for whatever reason. Okay. We got two order form impressions and one unique order form impressions. This is one who went to the checkout page, all right? They whipped out their wallet. And they're like, hey, man, I want to go ahead and take a step, right? But somehow we didn't get any sales today, okay? We didn't get any rebills as well, okay? Now, we didn't get anything yesterday, okay? But remember that we're still new in this series, okay? We're only on day number 49, okay? And it takes a little bit of time for this thing to get started. Okay. Now, I'm gonna be looking for these initial sales I want these to come in every day. Okay. That's the whole goal, is to get them to come in every day. Okay. If they don't come in every day, at least every other day. Okay. So that way we're getting a free trial. And then as these months go on, these people are getting rebilled for the service. And that's the cool thing about promoting the offer that we're promoting, these live chat jobs. All we got to do is, set this up one time and get someone to sign up one time. Okay. They're going to get a free trial, $1 free trial. Okay. And we don't get paid off the free trial. Okay. That's considered a sign up, but we don't get paid for it. We get paid 3 days later when they get billed for the program. Okay. That's when we get paid. Now, after they get billed for the program and they start working, right? They're going to get billed every single month on that same day that they signed up on. Okay. So that turns into a $20 residual payment over and over and over again. Okay. So imagine getting, 5, 10 people, okay, signing up that, you know, basically those $20 payments keep coming in each and every month from all of those people. Okay. And that's our whole goal here, guys, is to get hundreds and hundreds of people signing up. Okay. Start working and people getting billed for the program, okay, over and over and over and over again. Okay, that's how we're able to have these. We want to be able to have these $40 days, or $20 days, $40 days, $60 days, $80 days, $100 days, $120 days. It's just going to keep going up and up and up, guys. Okay, so it's going to get to a point where we're going to be stacking these $20 payments, and we're going to be earning income every single day. Right. So I wanted to give you guys a look into the future on what that looks like. Okay. That's what it looks like. Okay. It may not look like that right now because we're only on day number 49. Okay. We're getting a few rebills from from the first 30 set of 30 days. We're on the second set of 30 days. And then we're just waiting for these $20 payments to stack on top of each other. Now, just a little bit, another look into the future. We should be getting there around month four, the fourth 30-day trials, the month four pretty much, okay, and of this series, okay, and we should start seeing a lot more, stacked $20 payments coming through. But right now, we're just through, month two of this series, and we're just climbing along here, okay, to get to the goal that we want to get to, okay, which is signups every single day. All right. So keep your head up, guys. These sales, your sales may be different from mine. Okay. So you may see success a lot quicker. Okay. Depending on how many accounts that you have, every account is not the same, guys. Okay. So your accounts may go fast. You may not see a sale maybe your first week, second week, third week, maybe a whole month, right? Sometimes it takes maybe 3 to 5 months for this thing to start climbing to where you're getting consistent sales every single day. Okay. So that's why I was telling you, month four to month six is where you're going to see that spike in sales and you're going to start seeing stuff start to happen. Okay. But right now, I just wanted to show you guys what's real. Okay. How real this is, guys. You're not going to, in the beginning, you're not going to get sales every single day. Okay. It may be hit and miss, okay, for you, okay. So I just wanted to prepare you guys for what's in store for you, okay. But if you guys like this type of stuff, if you guys want to see more and see this thing through the end, subscribe to this channel, okay. Hit the like button so you can kind of get up to speed, and then you can follow along when these videos come out every single day. You can follow along and know if we made sales today. Okay. That way, whenever you decide to sign up and take that leap, okay, you can know what's going to happen for yourself. Like, okay, oh, I know I'm gonna, be struggling in the beginning, but I know once months 3 or 4 hit, I'm gonna be cranking and rolling because Jermaine, he's showing me how to do it, right? So that's basically why I'm coming in here for you guys, right? I'm not coming in here for myself, right? I've already done this. Okay. I've been doing this for over a few years now. Okay. And I also do other things online. Okay. So this is one thing that I wanted to show you guys that is super easy to do, that even a newbie to do, even, my younger kids can do this. Okay. Well, they're older now, but, even my children can do it. Okay. Which is not hard to do. Okay. So I just wanted to show you guys how to come in and send out an email. And if you're someone who wants to get started, go ahead and click the link below this video and go and get started, okay? I showed you how to send out an email today, showed you how to do that, show you how easy it was. I showed you the results today, show you what we did, what traffic we got. We got some traffic, okay? We got order form impressions, okay? We got people whipping out their wallets, okay? But we just didn't get nobody to sign up, all right? So come back here with me tomorrow. Let's check tomorrow's results. I'm feeling a sale coming along. I'm feeling a rebuild coming. So there's something coming. I can feel it, right? So come back here with me tomorrow and check with me. Okay, we'll check together and we'll do this thing together. So I'll see you guys tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.